If you need assistance with Alpaca, reaching out to their support team can be done quickly and efficiently. Follow these steps to contact support. Step 1. Visit the Alpaca website. Go to the official Alpaca website by entering the URL in your web browser. This is the starting point for accessing support resources. Step 2. Navigate to the support section. Look for the support or help link on the website, usually found in the footer or main menu. Click on it to access various support options. Step 3. Use the live chat feature. If available, utilize the live chat option for immediate assistance. This feature connects you with a support representative in real time for quick answers to your questions. Step 4. Submit support tickets. If live chat is not an option or you prefer written communication, find the support ticket submission form. Fill out the required information and describe your issue clearly to get a prompt response. Step 5. Check the Help Center. Before reaching out, browse the Help Center for FAQs and guides. Many common issues are addressed there, which may save you time and provide instant solutions. By following these steps, you can efficiently contact Alpaca support and get the help you need.